Okay, everybody, how you doing? It's Mr. Captain General STUFIDO. This is general stuff I do. Okay, so we got this repair job, right? Upstairs is a bathroom that looks identical to this one, and there was a leak up there, and it caused all this damage right here. So what we're doing is we're trying to salvage as much of the original drywall as possible. Some of that stuff was really damp and wet. So we're cutting this out with this great flush cutting tool. This thing's amazing. So we got it all chalked out. I got a guy here pulling the stuff down, and then I've got to run off to go get some drywall, and then we're going to install that. Wow, what a mess. Okay, so we go upstairs. Look at this. Okay, so yes, like an identical bathroom here. So the bottom of this cabinet was damaged. It's all wavy. So we're going to pull this out, put in a new cabinet. It's a little bit tiny, different measurement. We're going to have to probably remove some of this grout just to get the thing in. And the one he ordered has drawers. Look at this. The drawer's going to hit. The drawer's going to hit. So I got to go see if they have an angle connection that goes up. If not, we'll have to cut the back of the drawer out. That's the only logical way to do it. So we pulled the top off. Nothing's wrong with that other than the bottom. And then the leak occurred up here in the toilet, up by the supply line, I think. So we've poured water in the tank to see if maybe there was leaky bolts or the big donut between the tank and the bolt. But anyway, I'm running off to Blows to go get some parts, and we're going to see if we can't get this guy fixed up. The cool thing about this unit is he rents it by the day. It's like a hotel. Yeah, he gets some pretty good money per day. Look at that, nice. That's nice. You look at this. Oh yeah. We actually painted this entire unit. We painted up in the well a long time ago, 2-3 years ago. But and here's the cabinet. Here's what I'm talking about. Right back here. That's where it's gonna hit. So we gotta fix that one way or another. All right, I'm gonna run to the store, get the materials, and I'll be right back. Okay, now we're in the next step of this. I gotta climb over the vacuum cleaner. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put on scabs, some scabby doos. We're gonna put a 2x4 right here. It's gonna be flush. And what I like to do is hang it over, 1.5 2-3 inches here and there. That way you just rest up there at the same exact height. You don't have to worry about, see, like if you cut it in between here, now you gotta futz with it, right? And you might not be at the right height. But if you rest it here, you're gonna be at the right height. Same with this one. So what we did is we cut it flush with this existing 2x4, and then this distance between here is a little less than, say, 48 inches. And so we're taking full advantage of this joint that was there. There's a joint here. Now you're never going to see a joint right like 2 feet. Nobody does that. So this was a repair job before. So it's happened in the past. Probably stains up there from before. Anyway, we're going to cut those, and then we're going to put a little scabby-doo back in there, cut a piece of drywall and stick it up inside. Okay, so for years, my favorite nail gun was a Hitachi, and it was super, super, super fast. This gun right here is a rigid. They claim that it shoots 8 bullets a second. I don't believe it. I've never had the opportunity to check because I got these cheap Johnny Homeowner hoses. I used to have the commercial grade ones. They were like 1/2 inch, but I can't find them down here where we're at. God, that hurt. All right, there we go. All right, so we got some 16s in there. Here you go, 3-inch nails. He's gonna nail on scabby doos.
You gonna lay it flat? Or like
No, just like that on edge. That's fine because you gotta get the right height. There you go. Yeah. Over there, it's resting on the drywall, so it's gonna be at the right height. Alrighty. Alright, once you put that one in, I'll go cut this 4 inches off this, okay? Okay, so here we're going to measure our piece, and I'm going to show you something that's really important. You got your piece here. See how that's like a 41 and 5/8 there? Right there it's 41 and say 3/4. You go here, you got 41 and say 3/8. You go here, and it's like 41 3/4. Okay, so if we made ours say 41 3/8, okay, it'll fit nicely. So you cut a little shy, split the difference on both sides. So we're gonna go out there and cut that piece. So we're out here outside. So I'm gonna show you a fast way to do this. Don't use a tape measure when you got the square. It's maybe 46 1/4, right? 46 1/4 translates to 2 1/4 over here, right? So you get yourself a crow's foot like that. And then the other measurement we need is going to be 41 1/4. So you go right here, you need 41 1/4. Now I'm not gonna go all the way down here to 41 1/4. I'm gonna go back up here to 41 1/4, which is 6 3/4 over here. And you just put your hand right here and slide that bad boy right like that, okay? You don't need a chalk line. No, that's how you do it. Where's my mark? You see my crow's foot? Right there. That's my crow's foot, right? So put your foot down there so it doesn't skip out on you, and you come on up like this. That's a fast way to do it. Yeah, you got these little Johnny homeowners who do it the wrong way all the time. Okay. Cut there, cut up here. Now you got control. Then come over here, give it a punch. Look at that. And we're not here all day. All right, now we're gonna go hang this bad boy. And we're gonna mud it, tape it, mud it. There you go. So we're coming up the backside here. 14 1/4, 23 1/4. Let's go from this side right here. All right, so we're gonna go back like 1/4 inch. 6, I'll go 6 3/8, and I'll go 15 1/4. That'll work for me. So you got those?
Yeah.
All right, so let's make sure we got the right direction. Let me see this. Okay, what do we got here? All right, we'll cut that. All right, so we got 14 3/4, 14 1/4. So you grab your 14, use new blocking tape, I tell you. 14 1/4 right there, and you pinch that, make a mark right there. 23 1/4 right there, and you make a mark there. It's off the back wall. All right, now then you got to go. We're gonna go flip that bad boy. So this will be on that side of the wall, right? Yeah. Okay. You don't want to do it backwards. All right. So what do we get? 6 3/8, 15 1/4. Okay, 6 3/8. All right, 6 3/8 right there. Okay. When I say 15 1/4, pull it 15 1/4. Pinch it right there. Look at that. Okay. All right. So let's extend these lines up. All righty. And this is how you do it. All right. Go over here. All right. All right. So cut that bad boy out. That's where she goes. Now, when you cut these out, what you're going to do when you're inside, you don't want to put a 4-foot square on it because now you got a 41 inch piece. You go all the way through like this. All the way through. All the way through to mark it. All the way through. All the way through. All the way through. All the way through. Ha! I didn't say it that time. You thought I would. Alright, go all the way through. Alright, so then just cut it out by hand. You know, nothing really special. Because it's going to get covered by the light flange. Okay, it doesn't have to be exact. Alright, there you go. Now you got the back side already marked. And then you can guess that. At least I can. I don't know about you. Alright. Oops. Got a little crooked there. Right. Yep. Like that. You guess this bad boy out over here. And if you're a little off, on the back side, it doesn't really matter. Like that. Hold that. There. Thank you. And you punch it. Okay? It comes right out. Alright. Let's get that bad boy hung. Looks good, huh? Alright, let's get some screws in that bad boy. Put them in the middle so the guy right there doesn't have to hold that up so long, okay? There you go, go to town. Alright, check it out. Alright, nice fitted. He's doing it, he's screwing it. Alright. All right. Very good. Okay. Okay, we got a situation right here. You take a 6-inch knife, you knock down all this loose stuff like this. See that? That way it doesn't mess up your finished job, okay? And we're getting ready to tape. Now look at this. See this? This is a Marshalltown, and they put these stupid stickers on here, and it takes forever to take them off. I mean, look at you can't really peel them off. So Marshalltown, if you're watching this, do something else. You can't use that adhesive. All right, let's get ready to tape. And now on this job, we're going to use fiber tape. Okay, here we go. Look. This fiber tape. You can never find the beginning. Never. Why don't they like peel it off and make it so it changes color, right? That's what I would do. Okay, you find it. "20 minutes later."
Oh, there it is.
Okay, now here's the trick. Now once you get it started, you cut it. Here's what you do. You fold that sucker back just like that. Now you can always find it. There you go. All right, go ahead and take that. You got a knife to cut it? Look at that. It's not very sharp, but hey, use that one.
Right.
All right, so I get back to the store. They told me we left our drywall trough, the whole drywall toolbox. So anyway, we'll do it this way. Gotta make this stuff happen. So the way you gotta do it is you kind of go in steep, and as you travel, you take the handle and you come in closer and closer and closer and closer until the load is gone. Okay? So you start off here, and you want to float like a 1/16 of an inch off of that bad boy right there. Okay? Here we go. All right, like this, and you just go like that. Now they made this. This is 20-minute mud, and on 20-minute mud, if you don't mix it really well, it's gonna turn out like what they did here. You guys gotta mix this more, guys. It's all chunky. Okay. Anyway, so you try your drywall knife rest at say 0 point, and over here they'll float a 1/16 of an inch. And that's how you get that in. But, yeah, so look at the remix this mud. It's getting pretty bad. All right, mixing that 20-minute mud. No lumps.
I'm done. I don't know why we're making more mud.
Ah. Good. Get this right in here. Yeah. Skip trowel. Skip trowel method. Yeah, so throw some right here.
What's up?
Get some right there. All right. Looks good. Okay, let's see. So, we put Kills on the ceiling to seal up that drywall mud. Now he's putting on the final ceiling paint coat. And we should be able to walk away from that ceiling after this. Of course, now we got to touch up the walls over there. Okay, look at this. Another job. Well done. Very good. Very, very good. Okay, let's go upstairs and check that out. Okay, there's the new vanity right there. Got it all painted in, caulked. Look at that. Looks beautiful. Okay, all right. Well, I am General Stufido. This is stuff I do. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe button. Tell your friends about it too. Hit that like button. Over and out.